She Shows Art Stuff. My name is Julie, and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. Today's art tip might be a little bit more than 2 minutes, but we got some cool stuff we want to show you. Interesting exercise that every single art student has to go through, and that is called blind contour drawing. If you are not familiar with this exercise, it is an interesting one to put into your repertoire. This was developed many years ago by Kimon Nicolades, and it's basically really just a brain exercise. This is to connect your eye to your hand and get that relationship flowing. This is not about final output, because generally blind contour drawings look like you drew it with your foot. But the point is that it is an exercise to kind of connect all the hemispheres of your brain and get that connection going between your hand and your eye and rely on that. So what we're going to do is, we have our subject here, we have like a little fake orchid here, and what we're going to do is we're going to do a simple line drawing where we are solely focused on the outside contour of all the shapes, and we are going to render them in one continuous line where we don't pick up the pen. And we also, to add a little bit of fun and excitement, we aren't going to look at the paper. We are going to keep our eye focused on the subject and the subject alone, and that is in order to make sure that our hand is working with just the information it's receiving from our hand and our eyes, and we're just going to rely on that. Now, don't be all too judgy. Don't get all like worked up if this totally implodes in my face. It's part of the process, and yeah, they do improve, and you'll find that your overall drawing will improve if you work these into your repertoire on a regular basis. They're fun. They're an exercise in humility, that's for sure. And so try it with a little bit of paper and pen, or even an ebony pencil. It's a great exercise to try some blind contour drawing. So here we go. We're gonna show you how it's done. Don't laugh too hard. Okay, here we go. Got a minute on the clock, and we are not looking at the paper. We are focusing solely on the subject. So here we're just focusing on shape and the rhythm of the shape, and where each of the little pieces are in here. We're not getting all too worried about all the different little teeny details, because you're not going to get it all. But let's see how far we got in a minute. Woo, it's rough, but hey, that's what you get with blind contour. It's a little bit of adventure every single time. So try some blind contour drawing. We know you're gonna love it. It's a laugh if nothing else. So enjoy.